Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be doing of a modular building set. This is a LEGO Creator Expert headset called Sunbury Square, and you can also attach this to other modular buildings for your LEGO city here. It comes with 9 minifigures, a coffee shop person, and some citizens, and a chef, and a French guy right here, and a baby, too, and some other minifigures here. And the set number is 10255. It's got 4,002 pieces here. And this is from the 10th anniversary of the Magia building in series. And here's the back of the box. Just like for other Magia buildings, you can take off each section to see the inside here. And we got a lot of nice play features here. And you can see on the back there's other Magia buildings here, which you can attach to. And before I move on and see what's inside, I gotta mention, if you enjoyed today's LEGO building review video, to make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when new videos upload to the channel. And now let's open up the box here and see what's on the inside. Hey, yeah, let's say this is hold together with sweet tapes this time. And got two open, and now just have the third one open. Now we got our box in here. Before I get to bags, let's open up this one here, which is hold together with two tapes on each side. And now let's open this one up. Got bag number 2. Another bag 2. Bag 3. Another bag 3. A base plate. Bag 3 again. Bag 2 again. Bag 1. Bag 3. Another base plate. Bag 2. Bag 3. Bag 2 again. Bag 1. Bag 2. Bag 1. That's it for the white box. And inside of that one, we got bag 2. And now let's get to the bigger box here and see what's inside of this one. Yeah. got a beta base plate here. Bag 6. A instruction book. Bag 5. Bag 4. Bag 6. Bag 4. Bag 5. Bag 5. Bag 5. Bag 6 again. Bag 5. Bag 5. Bag 6. Bag 4. Bag 6. Bag 4. Bag 6 and so on because this oh, placing paper the same thing. Bag 5 again. Bag 5. Bag 5. And finally, other bag 6. Oh, and that's a lot of bags. Not going to do time-lapse for this one because it would take too long to do. So I'm going to time for time-on and come back and do the review for this. And I will see you guys right after the build. And see you guys in a few seconds. And I'm back. I finished the big modular building set here. It took me a bit to finish because it's like a little bit hard to do. Anyway, and like I said at the beginning of the video here, you can connect this to the other modular buildings to make a Lego city. We'll start with the main figures as always. And we start with random guy here with a mustache and a little hat that artists use. Here's where they do art or something. They have a little hat here. And it's got a gray hoodie with a red shirt underneath. Maybe we got some regular pants here. And all the main figures here have one face expression. And they all have the same face, which is a little weird. Next, we got a dentist here. And he's got some white hands and a white jacket and some brown pants. He also comes with a hairpiece right here. He's one's color hair. Oh, and he also has a little tooth symbol on his pocket right here with some dentist tools there. Next, we got a chef who cooks food for people in the Sunday Square. He's got a little red ascot with a chef jacket on, with a chef hat, and no other face. Like I said, all the people here don't have a secondary face. Next, we got the coffee shop owner, and she's got the coffee shop apron on with the undershirt, and the apron print goes over to the light blue pants, and she's got the same kind of hairstyle that Nia had before the design change from how the later Ninjago movie. Next, we got a ballerina, and she's got a white tutu with white pants and a pink butterfly shirt with a heart and necklace. And she's got a brown hair that goes up into a little ponytail type of thing here. Next, we got a random guy with a red shirt with gray pants here. And we see these kind of headpieces before, but in gray. And also one of the Ghostbusters minifigures has also have this kind of hair color from Ghostbusters and the Ghostbusters in Lego Dimensions. Next, we got a random old lady here, with the same hairstyle as Lloyd before of Lego Ninjago movie design change, and Garmadon when he became good after being possessed by the Overlord and after becoming a Lord Garmadon. And she's got a pinkish purple jacket with a shirt underneath. Here and a little silver necklace with a trans color pants here. And we got other random lady here with a light blue hoodie, a purple shirt with a star on it, and got some dark green pants on. And she's got a lightish brown trans color hair here that goes into a ponytail that is the same hairstyle that Skylar has throughout the Ninjago series. And finally, we got a little baby here, and that doesn't move his hands and legs because this is just a little guy, and with a teeny tiny head here, and white clothes on. And that is it for these videos. So move these guys out of the way so I can get to this big set here. And before I do that, going to show you guys the small side build here, which is a baby carriage for the baby, and random way with light blue hoodie can push a baby carriage. This thing's main figures the baby's mom. They got light gray steering wheels, used as the wheels. That's for the baby carriage here. We got a black piece that represents the handle, and some red pieces to represent the rest of the carriage here, with some black and other pieces here. And now let's move on to the big set here. And there are different levels to the set here. And let's go from left to right, starting with the roof here. And we got the skylight right on the top here. Like that. And the sun can come right through here. And we got a little balcony here with a transparent door that you can open and close. And there's a dark gray stud right there as a handle. And right here is the little music and little dance floor music area with the piano. And the stairs that lead up to the roof here. And you can see there's a little door here which you can open and close to go and come from the roof. And the piano has these great pieces here hidden that use as keys. And there's a little seat right here. And there's a reflecting mirror right here, so how we can use to help dancing and stuff. And then let's move on to the next floor here, which is the music store, which you can buy instruments from. I mean, there's drums, and there's a saxophone thing right here, with 2 different guitars on the wall. Oh, and there's a little customized place right here, so people can buy the instruments. And let's move on to the next side here before getting to the next one of that side. And this is like some kind of apartment right here. With the back, there's a little coffee area, and where people can sit down and have coffee and stuff. And this statue right here is a chicken hen statue. And when you take off the roof up there, you can see there's a little apartment for the baby and the mom. And just within in here, there's a little Lego set that they bought. It was like some kind of movie with some kind of hotel out here. And there's a table with small plants in it, and some other random stuff that we got within the set here. And there's a picture of a bridge that she's got for some reason. And come about this door right here. And this other one over here, which leads to the bathroom. Here. And there's a red couch with a different kind of blue color, different blue colored carpet. Right there. And this is like a corner piece right here. And with a laptop, I think, and within the building here. And these pieces right here represent Thor's hammer from the MCU. And now onto the second floor of this side of the Ceremony Square. Like I said, there's a dentist. This was a dentist guy right here, which I just mentioned, which I just realized. And two different doors here, which you can put immediately got onto the stairs, and that's how we got to the dentist area and stuff. And all this type of guy takes pictures, as I guess, and we got white pieces right here to represent the white backdrop. And there are a newspaper within the set here, and a little postcard within the set, and the newspaper talks about a firefighter saving a cat from a tree, and this is like a waiting area right here for people who want to see the dentist and stuff, with a clock right on the top here, and showing the time. Hyman, we got a sink, a picture of the ship, and we got a seat right there for people wanting a checkup with all the stuff within the set here. And there's also a set of stairs on the back right here that leads to the third floor. And finally, let's move on to the main level here, which is on 2 base plates here. And there's a lot of stuff within here. There's the stairs and seats for a coffee shop. Which got hard to see with all the stuff here. And there's a lot of detail stuff in there. And there's a flower shop with a parrot in there. And there's a little bakery on the end here. And where the chef and bake stuff. And right in the middle of the Summer Square, there's a fountain. And that has water in it. And on the coffee shop side, there are seats here, and for people to sit down and have treats from the coffee shop. And there's a little cat sitting on one of the seats here. And we got 2 lampposts within the set here. And that's about it for today's Lego modular building and Sunday Square building review video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more Lego building review videos are coming out soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.